Johnson County, Illinois, northern Ballard County, Kentucky, northwestern McCracken County, Kentucky, until 11:45 a.m. At 10:55 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Dongle to Barlow, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plana, Karnak, Dixon Springs, New Columbia, Olin, Joppa, Olmsted, Cypress, New Burnside, New Grand Chase, Buncombe, Belknap, Eddyville, and Simpson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 8 and 32. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 11 and 22. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. for the following counties: in Illinois, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Pulaski, and Union, and the following counties: in Kentucky, Ballard and McCracken. A flood